Be nice to get a fish on the first cast back, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh wow, yep, I did. First cast after fishing, not fishing for over a week. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bash and Bass TV. It's been a couple weeks. I missed last week's video posting because I was in another state for my brother's wedding. Congrats to him and his brand new lovely wife. It was a lot of fun. We had a great time. My wife and I just had a blast. So I'm honored to be a part of that, and thank you guys for having us. Now, on to the fishing. This week's just gonna be kind of a compilation video. I got a new Shimano SLX DC reel, so you'll see a few catches with that. In upcoming weeks, I am going to do a review on that reel, probably next week's video. I got some kayak videos I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have some how-to videos. A lot more content is coming your way for Bash and Bass TV. I hope you guys have some patience with me since I did miss this week. I appreciate everybody's support. We're growing like crazy. Tons and tons of views are coming in. I love getting all your comments, and especially about the kayak stuff, giving me tips. Feel free to keep those coming in. I really do appreciate it because I want to keep growing as a fisherman and now also on my kayak. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Bash and Bass TV. Bash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell on this channel, and until next time, just keep bashing. That is a giant armadillo. He got under their fence. If I can get close to him. These things are pretty much blind. Oh, there he goes. He heard me. There we go. Finally got one on this reel. And it's a decent one too. There we go. First fish on my Shimano. All right, look at that bad boy. Oh, you son of a bitch. Look at that. Now it's my turn to get the hooks out of you. Well, you know what? Pliers. We have pliers. That's what they're here for. Let's make it easy on us. I'm saying this is like 2.5, maybe closer to 3. I could be wrong. I haven't weighed a fish in forever. 2.5, 2 pounds 9 ounces. All right, so right before Tropical Storm Hannah hits, got a nice 2.5 pounder. Let's let this big girl go home. Damn it. Got him. Got him skirting now. Got him skating. There we go. Let's swing him up here. That's a good 2 pounder. That's a decent start to the day. He might not be 2 pounds. He might be close to. Whoa, whoop, whoop. He is fat though. He might be 2 pounds. This thing's eating good. This is a good, healthy eating fish. Look at that thing. Look at that belly. I want to weigh him. It's definitely between. Oh, hang on. All right, I'm gonna weigh this guy. He's definitely between 1.5 pounds and 2 pounds. Almost 2 pounds on the dot. Oh, stop moving. Stop moving. Stop. 115. So yeah, I was right. 2 pounds, basically. Basically a nice 2-pounder. What's crazy is water is so flat that all those ripples that you see right now are from the fight from this fish. That's how calm this water's been. Let's let him go home now. Got one. Shouldn't be so excited about a little guy. He is a little pipsqueak. Second fish of the day is the dinkiest of dinks. But I want to show you guys that even the little guys, they're feeding well. They're eating good. Alright, away you go, after you killed my worm. Normally I start over here, but I see all this shad and all this activity over here, and swirls and bubbles. I got a fish here. Look at all that activity. I mean, look at all that activity. Look, you see all the ripples. There's shad pocket there, way big one over there. Like, this is nuts. Yeah, see the swirl right there. They're feeding right here. See if they'll take the whopper flopper. Who knows? Usually they don't go after anything if there's all this bait fish, but we'll see. All these bubbles are from fish. Oh, there we go. As I was saying, there's a lot of bubbles from fish attacking all the shad up on the banks there. Oh, that was about 1.5 pounds or so fish. He's trying to transition him from one hand to the other. Failed. Still caught him though. So I guess that's what counts. Didn't even realize I had a fish until I saw the line move. Ah, that's the hook. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. They become much more compliant if you grab them by the gills. As I say that, he flops out of my hand and back into the water. So I was wrong. Usually when I grab them by the gill plates, they calm the hell down a little bit. This one, not so much. Got one. This one was better than the first one. Nope. He shook off the hook though. There we go. It's a nice 1.5 pound fish. I hope that wasn't from me hooking him. Ooh, there's a big splash over there. Let's let this one go. Catch some real food. Oh, cool. A cicada's coming out of its shell. I think it might be dead. No, it's alive. Look at that. That's so cool. It's molting its old skin. These are those loud bugs you hear everywhere. Let's let this guy go away from the ants. That's a cicada. That's the shell. So if you ever wonder what they look like, that's it. Oh my God, 2 in a row. Swing and a miss. Let's get it back out there. 2 fish in a row swung and missed at this lure. Got him that time. He is a skinny little fish. Like, they're not eating good in this lake. He's long, but look at that. And there's nothing to this fish. He needs to go eat some more real food. I didn't even think he actually connected on it. I thought he just took a swipe. Another little guy. He's got a dead eye. Yeah, another really tiny, skinny one. Like, paper thin. All right. God, it's been 5-6 days since I've gone fishing. So, it'd be nice to finally throw some lines out in the water. I've got my three bait casters with me. Obviously, I'm going to throw my Shimano SLX first. Just got that 7-foot 2-inch rod in. Be nice to get a fish on the first cast back, but I don't think that's going to happen. Oh wow, yep, I did. First cast after not fishing for over a week. And it's a good one too. Wow. As I was saying, I don't think it's going to happen. Hit that drain, and this guy bit. Slammed it. And he popped himself off the hook. Oh, come on, dude. No. Yeah, this fish is incredibly warm. Like, that water is hot. That's bath water temperature almost. All right, let's get a weight on this guy. He's a good 1.5 pounds, I'd say, at least. 1.9. Come on out. So, not bad. First cast of the day. It's probably cursing me now. I probably won't get a fish for the rest of the day. But at least we got one. That's all that matters.